So next topic that we have to cover is multiplying and dividing two to three digit numbers. Multiplying and dividing two to three digit numbers. Uh, if you have any questions again, do note them. We will discuss or address these questions tomorrow in the tomorrow lecture. So and also we will further solve these questions, one or two examples in the next lecture also. So let's multiply. We have, for example, we have a number 242, and we want to multiply it with two digit number. Sorry, 23. How to do that? 242 multiplied by 23. So for multiplication, the first thing that we have to do is multiply this the units number, the first number from the right, the bottom first number of the right, to this first number. For example, this 3 multiplied with 2 first. 3 2s are 6, so we are going to write 6 over here. So next we have to multiply this with 4. 3 4s are 12, so we will write 12 like this. 2 over here, and the tens will be carried on to the next number. 3 2s are 6, and we will add this one in the 6 to get 7, so that is equal to 726. So to multiply this number, we have to put a 0 first over here, because we are multiplying. Initially we multiplied the units, now we are multiplying the tens, so to multiply the tens we have to put a 0 over here first. So the next thing we have to do is multiply this 2 with this first number. 2 2s are 4, then 2 4s are 8, and then 2 2s are 4, this one. So this video lecture will also be helpful, because this will be a record for you if you want to ever consult again in future how to multiply and divide things. You can simply get back to this lecture and see just consider this as a tutorial. So 6, now we have to add these two numbers. Addition is very simple. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, and we have to carry 1 over here, and 4 plus 1 will be equal to 5. So the answer for this will be 5566, 5566. Let's solve one more question. Next question is 506 multiplied with 71. So we have to multiply these two numbers now. 506 multiplied by 71. So we will repeat the same procedure. First of all, the first number from here will be multiplied with 6. So 1 6 are 6, 1 zeros are 0, and 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. Let's move on to the tens part now. So we will put a 0 over here. The 7 6 are 42. Write 2 over here and 4 in the carry over here. 7 zeros are 0. We have to add 4 that was carried earlier, so that will be equal to 4, and 7 5s are 35, so we are going to write 35 as it is. So the answer would be 6 plus 0 is equal to 6, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, and 35 will be carried as it is. So the answer will be 35,926. Let's solve a simpler one now with two digit number. For example, we are multiplying 95. The next question is to multiply 95 with 41. So again, you do this first number multiplied with 5. 1 5s are 5, 1 9s are 9. Put a 0 over here. 4 5s are 20. We will put 0 over here. Then the tens part will be taken as carried over here. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2 will be equal to 38. You can write 38 as it is, and the answer will be 3895. So with this, we move on to the our first question for today: a three-digit multiplication with a three-digit number. The question is to multiply 236 with 216. This will be a little tough now, but many of our concepts will be cleared after doing this one. First of all, what we have to do is use the same procedure. Pick this first number, the units number, and multiply with all of these three numbers. So 6 are 36. So we will write 6 over here, and the tens part will be carried here. So the second will be, so 6 3s are 18, and add this 3 in it, that makes it 21. So again 2 will be carried over here. So 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 will be equal to 14. So we are done with the first number. Now we will move on to the second number over here. Put a 0 over here because now we are dealing with the tens part. So 1 6s are 6, and 6 over here. 1 3s are 3, and then we have 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 2. And the final thing is to multiply this third number, the hundred part. So we will put 2 zeros over here. As soon as we move on, if the number of digits are increased, if we had a fourth number here also, so in the next part we will put 3 zeros, but we are limited with the hundreds, like 3-digit number only. So when we are multiplying the third one, we will put 2 zeros over here. So the next thing is 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. 1 will be carried here. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And the third one will be 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So if we add up all of these, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, and 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. So 1 will be carried here. So the answer will be 50,976. So this is how we can perform the multiplication of single three-digit number with either a two-digit number or a three-digit number. So the multiplication process is much simpler than the division process. In the next lecture, like tomorrow, we will learn about how to divide the three-digit numbers. We will have a couple of more questions regarding multiplication and division also, and finding parameters also. One last thing, like whenever we are multiplying, let's say we have a number like this, 88 multiplied by 79. So first we have to multiply this first number with the first number. So that will be equal to 9 multiplied by 8 equal to 72. So we only keep the last part here, the units part over here. 2 will be written here, and the 7, the tens part, will be carried on to the next number. It will be written as a carry. So this 7 will be carried over here. So in the next part, when we multiply again 9 with this number, 9 8s are 72. So now this 7 will be added into the 72. 72 plus 7 is equal to 79. Same thing will be done here. 7 8 sevens are 56. So after putting a 0 here, we will write 6 and then move 5 as a carry here. Again 7 8s are 56. So 56 plus 5 is equal to 61. And then we can simply add these two numbers to get 2 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 and 9 6952. So that sums up our today's lecture. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye. Take care.